What if I told you there's a way to earn money without working every single day? That's what passive income is all about. It's like planting a money tree that keeps growing fruits for you to pick. In this video, we'll look at 10 awesome ways to create passive income streams. These ideas can help you make extra cash even when you're not actively working. So, get ready to learn how you can start building your money-making machine. Number 1. Affiliate marketing. Do you like sharing cool stuff with your friends? Affiliate marketing is kind of like that, but you get paid for it. Here's how it works. You tell people about products you like on your website or social media. When someone buys something because of your recommendation, you get a little money as a thank you. It's like being a helper for companies and getting rewarded for it. To start with affiliate marketing, you need a place to share your recommendations. A website is perfect for this. You can make one easily with companies like Hostinger. They help you set up your site and keep it running smoothly. Once your site is ready, you can join affiliate programs. These are like clubs where companies give you special links to share their products. Amazon Associates is a popular one, but there are many others too. When you write about products on your website, you use these special links. If someone clicks on your link and buys something, you get a small part of the sale price. It's like getting a finder's fee. The best part is that once you write about a product, that article can keep making money for a long time. People might find it months or even years later and still buy through your link. Number 2. Dropshipping. Have you ever wanted to own a store without keeping a bunch of stuff in your house? That's what dropshipping is all about. It's a clever way to sell things online without having to buy them first or ship them yourself. Here's how it works. You set up an online store and list products for sale. When someone buys from you, you order the item from another company, and they send it straight to your customer. It's like being the middleman in a game of catch. To start dropshipping, you first need to decide what kind of things you want to sell. It's good to pick stuff that people are excited about or that solves a problem. Maybe you love animals and want to sell pet supplies, or maybe you think people need better kitchen gadgets. Once you know what you want to sell, you find companies that make these things and are willing to ship them for you. Next, you set up your online store. You can use websites like Shopify or even Amazon to do this. These sites make it easy to list your products and take payments from customers. When you list a product, you set the price higher than what you'll pay the supplier. This difference is how you make money. The cool thing about dropshipping is that you don't need a lot of money to start. You don't have to buy any products until someone orders from you. This means you can try selling different things without spending a lot up front. Plus, you don't need a big warehouse or even extra space in your home to store products. Dropshipping does take some work though. You need to make sure your online store looks nice and that people can find it when they search online. You also need to give good customer service and handle any problems that come up. But if you do it well, you can make money while you're doing other things, like going to school or even sleeping. Number 3. Online courses. Do you know a lot about something cool? Maybe you're great at math, or you know how to make awesome videos, or you're good at cooking. Whatever it is, you can turn that knowledge into money by taking online courses. It's like being a teacher, but instead of standing in front of a classroom, you make videos or write lessons that people can watch or read anytime they want. To start making online courses, you first need to decide what you want to teach. Think about what you're good at and what other people might want to learn. Once you know your topic, you can start planning your course. This means deciding what lessons you'll include and how you'll explain things. Next, you need to make your course. You can record videos of yourself teaching, write out lessons, or even make quizzes and worksheets. Some websites can help you put all this together, like Udemy or Teachable. These sites also let you sell your course to people all over the world. The great thing about online courses is that you only have to make them once, but people can keep buying them for years. It's like writing a book, but even easier for people to get. You can also update your course over time to keep it fresh and useful. Number 4. YouTube channel. Have you ever thought about being a star on YouTube? It's not just fun. It can also be a way to make money while you sleep. Creating a YouTube channel is like having your own TV show that anyone in the world can watch anytime they want. And the best part, you can make videos about almost anything you love. To start a YouTube channel, you first need to decide what kind of videos you want to make. Maybe you're great at explaining math problems, or you love talking about your favorite books, or perhaps you're really good at a game and want to show others how to play. Whatever it is, pick something you enjoy and know a lot about. Once you know what you want to make videos about, it's time to start filming. You don't need fancy equipment to get started. Many successful YouTubers began with just their smartphone camera. The most important thing is to make your videos interesting and fun to watch. Try to be yourself and let your personality shine through. After you've made some videos and uploaded them to YouTube, you need to get people to watch them. You can share your videos with friends and family, and ask them to share with others too. Use eye-catching titles and thumbnails, the pictures people see before they click on your video, to make people curious. The more people who watch your videos, the more money you can make. But how do you make money on YouTube? Well, once your channel gets big enough, usually around 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past year, you can join the YouTube Partner Program. This lets YouTube put ads on your videos. When people watch these ads, they get paid a little bit of money. It's like getting a tiny allowance every time someone watches your video. Number 5. Trading and investing in stocks. Have you ever heard grown-ups talking about the stock market and wondered what it's all about? Well, trading and investing in stocks is another way to make money while you sleep. It's like owning a tiny piece of a big company and getting rewarded when that company does well. Here's how it works. Companies sell little pieces of themselves called shares or stocks. When you buy a stock, you own a small part of that company. If the company does well and makes more money, the value of your stock usually goes up. If you sell it then, you can make a profit. To start investing in stocks, you first need to learn about different companies and how the stock market works. This might sound complicated, but there are lots of websites, books, and even games that can teach you the basics in a fun way. It's like learning the rules to a new board game. Once you understand how it works, you can start investing with the help of a grown-up. There are special websites and apps, like E-Trade or Robinhood, that make it easy to buy and sell stocks. Some of these even let you start with very small amounts of money. The best part? Once you bought your stocks, they can keep making money for you without you having to do anything else. It's like planting a money tree and watching it grow. But remember, investing in stocks can be risky too. Sometimes, the value of stocks can go down, and you might lose some money. That's why it's important to be careful and not invest more than you can afford to lose. It's also a good idea to invest in different companies, not just one. This is called diversifying, and it helps spread out the risk. Wow! We've explored 5 amazing ways to make money while you sleep. From affiliate marketing and dropshipping to creating your app or YouTube channel, there are so many exciting possibilities. The best part is that you can start small and grow your passive income over time. Remember, building passive income takes some work at first. It's like planting a garden. You need to prepare the soil, plant the seeds, and water them regularly before you can enjoy the fruits. But once your passive income streams are set up, they can keep working for you day and night, even when you're busy doing other things. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to learn more about making money and building a bright future, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit that notification bell too, so you never miss our latest videos full of tips and ideas to help you succeed. And hey, why not share this video with your friends and family? Maybe you can team up and start a passive income project together. Remember, the journey to financial freedom is more fun when you share it with others. Thanks again for watching. Also, if you're ready to take your financial game to the next level, don't forget to join our exclusive Wealth Builders Club. It's your golden ticket to unlocking personalized advice, powerful insights, and strategies that can quickly set you on the path to real wealth. Click the link in the description below to sign up today and start building your fortune with the guidance of our expert community. Join us and let's grow your wealth together. Again, subscribe now and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our valuable tips and tricks. Let's build wealth and make financial success your reality.